Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today I'm quickly going to show you how I make my bath salts using just Epsom salts and essential oils. It's so easy and you're going to love it.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
All you're going to need is a measuring cup, a jar, of course, the Epsom salt. I'll link some below that I sometimes get on Amazon. I think this is just from Target. And essential oils. So you can either do one or a blend, whatever sounds good to you. Today I'm going to do Lavender and Copiaba. I'm obsessed with Copiaba right now. It's really woodsy and calming. And Copiaba is really good for your skin. So I like to do it in batches. I'm going to add a half cup at a time, and then I do 10 drops per half cup, and I'll alternate the oil since I'm doing two. I just find it helps mix it all together more. So 10 drops of lavender, and then I'll pour it into the jar and shake it up, and then do the same thing with Copiaba, and I'll just keep on going. So essential oil is an oil, obviously, and oil and water does not mix well, and so that's why we add it to the Epsom salts for our bath. If we just added it straight to the bath, it would kind of just sit on the surface and it might irritate our skin, and so this is a great way to get it to bind to something that it is attracted to, unlike water. And Epsom salts is great for you, and it actually adds magnesium into your body, and most of us are deficient in magnesium, so that's a plus, and it is just really good for sore muscles.
It's pre-written, have my heat on you.
Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.